Hey guys, it's Miva and welcome back to Meet Ava and Nolan. Today we're going to be making slime. I'm here with Nolan and my cousin Jade. Let's get started. So we have clear Elmers Glue, we got contact solution, we got shaving cream, baking soda, we got slime balls, food coloring, and glitter. Let's get started. Oh, so heavy. It's heavy. It's so heavy. Okay, me first. Yeah, I'm gonna pour it in for you, okay? Oh, thanks, Jade. Oh, okay, that should be enough. Ew! It's so fluffy. It's spilled. We got lots of extra. We got lens care. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna let Jay go first. So me, a lot. Stop. I'm do it by myself. Does it be enough, guys? That's enough. Okay, that's enough. So I'm gonna be making pink. Wait, yellow? Yeah, I like yellow. I'm gonna be doing red. Doing blue. I'm doing this. It doesn't need enough, red, guys. You're doing purple. Okay. That looks so cool. Okay, now mix. Okay. Whoa! Oh, look at this, guys. It looks so cool. We got the primary colors, except she got red. Yellow. It's turning yellow. Yellow.
It's turning dark purple.
Let's go feel it, guys.
Not yet. Not yet, no.
Let's add shape cream.
Here you go, Ava. You can go first.
Oh, okay. There's another one over there. Oh, yeah.
That's enough.
I can't do it. It's big. Oh, how you do this? How you do it? You want me to do it? Yeah.
I put a lot of shaving cream in here.
Okay, is that enough?
Yep, so much.
Look! I said look! It's turning pink!
It's turning purple.
It's baby purple. I'm baby pink. Good night.
Mine is gonna be extra fluffy.
Mine
A bubble.
Extra.
No, I like to hold it.
I hope.
Because it's fluffy.
Mine is so cute.
Oh, mine is cute. Oh, bubble. Ava, bubble.
Whoa, that's a big bubble. Look at mine.
Whoa, yours is so pretty. Look at mine.
Whoa. Look at mine. Let's add baking soda. Can you pass me the baking soda? Okay, done.
Oh.
Can I mix? Yep, good mix. That's enough! I think I need more. Me too. Look at these bubbles. Me too.
I see it kind of blue.
That's enough.
Whoa, Ava.
No, it's still sticky.
Ava.
Sticky and
Sticky
exhausting. Sticky and exhausting.
One drop.
Whoa!
Woo!
Oh, look at mine, guys! This looks so cool.
Mine, I just added 2 drops.
Me too.
One more.
Oh, this looks green.
Whoa.
It's turning green. So, guys, I think we might need more contact solution. Me too. Okay, your turn, Jade.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's enough.
I made the bubble. I made the bubble.
Oh, maybe I need a little bit more. Ava.
Oh my God. Ew.
Just one more. 2, maybe 3. It dropped in. There. We're gonna have to be twinsies.
Oh, that would be cool. Get up. Yeah. No nose is greenish yellow.
It's actually green.
Yeah. Get
Oh, no,
up. I'm done mixing.
Oh, mine is
some
little.
more.
Mine is just a little bit lighter. Mine's pink actually. It's only pink. Ava, look at mine. It's too sticky. I might be adding purple or blue.
Can I have some?
My hands are dense.
Oh no! It's going. Oh.
Just put a little
Could
bit,
I have
okay?
those? Could I put inside?
You want to put mine inside?
I made the ball, guys. My dad has got the ball. And it's sticky and crunchy. Looks like a crocodile. Ew, so fluffy.
Yeah, Daddy. Look at mine. It's too sticky.
Mine is
Yeah,
really
literally
fluffy.
too sticky.
Mine is really fluffy, but it's not that sticky.
Mine is a bit still sticky.
Put it over
but
here.
It's okay.
Because it's
No, not the last.
yeah.
Doesn't really
Okay,
matter.
dust it up.
Yeah, because it's not a race. Yeah. Oh. You know why? Soda. Baking soda is the key to make it to be making slime this quick. I like the difference of it.
But we have different
I like
glitters
gold. I like the gold.
in it. I like the blue and the purple. It's
Why?
next on now.
Yeah.
Who's milk?
The sentence,
Oh yeah.
right? Maybe. I should put.
Hey, Nolan's is kind of like the pirate
Oh yeah.
because her hair is blue.
Uma?
Yeah, Uma. It's not. Ew. No, this is like a trumpet.
Trumpet.
Trumpet?
He looks green with the purple.
Bubble!
No. How did you do that?
If I just did this.
I did it last time.
Bubble!
Get all the slime off my hands. Oh, look at this big circle when I blew the bubble.
Let me do it. Mine is not sticky, Ava.
Yeah, because I like it when you mix colors like the blue and
Hi,
purple
guys.
together.
It's sticky, dirty, guys.
Slime. Slime, slime, slime. Oh yeah, I can see the glitter now. Except the foam balls. The foam balls are taken over.
That's not yours. My phone balls are taking over and the glitter.
Yeah. You.
Oh, bubble!
Oh, that was gonna be a big bubble, and then it just sticks on you. I think I like yours. 'Cause I like
yours.
I like how it's like a
Get
bit
in my
wet,
sauce, mommy.
but
That's
this
why-
one I
Wait,
like
let's see if
how
this is
the
bigger.
yours.
Oh, Nono's is bigger than us.
Whoa, Jade. No, no! Just pop it in me. Look at this. Look at this
Mine
bubble.
has
Look at this bubble. Look at this bubble. This is actually dark pink. Did you know that? Oh, I could. Get off.
Fluffy.
Because it's fluffy slime.
I think I like fluffy slime more than
Clear. Normal.
yeah, normal slime.
I like I like normal slime more than fluffy slime.
Why?
I don't know. Because I feel like it's
Look at.
I feel like it's too hard.
I could do something.
Eva!
Why did you pop it?
I don't know.
Whoa! Look at guys. Can I pop it? Look at this guy. You should get. Dad, this is the. Is that good?
Ava made a bubble. I'm gonna try to do that too.
I like to eat apples and bananas. Look at this. This tiny bubble.
You can make a tinier one.
Huh?
You can make a tinier.
Yeah, I could make it. See? I'll make a tiny one now. Look at this.
Mine's just oozing out.
I'm trying to trick you.
Mine's just oozing out.
I want to bring this to school.
But
Papa.
they're gonna. Do you keep these in a
Papa, don't mind the
Yeah.
garbage. Do you want a container or a plastic bag?
I'll have a container.
Hi, look at my glove, guys.
My finger. I'm gonna make a bubble again.
Yeah, me too. Okay, pop. Pop bubble. I'm gonna pop the bubble. Nolan. That's cool.
Whoa,
That's
Ava!
so
I
satisfying.
made a bubble.
Stop it. No, let me have a bubble. Look at this bubble.
Mine's gonna be a huge bubble.
Mine's gonna be bigger than yours, though.
I'm
No!
sleeping over at you guys. So satisfying. Whoa!
Whoa!
Ah!
Don't Nolan, why do you keep on popping it? Thank you for watching this slime video. Like and subscribe. Comment down whose slime do you like